Well, a bit of a change of tempo today. I've decided to come out and do some urban shooting. Now, it'll come as no surprise to those of you who know me that I've chosen Liverpool because I'm from here. I know it really well and it's super photogenic. Now, before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about the camera I brought with me today. A super simple camera. This is my Perkeo II Voigtlander, about 1952. Simple 6x6 medium format folding camera with an 80mm lens. Very good quality, very compact, very light. 12 shots per roll, should be ideal. Well, I've already shot one roll of HP5 Plus in the lovely little Perkeo II. As you'll notice as well from the camera angle here, I've got an orange filter on the camera, which is losing me nearly 2 stops. It's not a deep orange, so I'm basically rated the film at an ISO of 100, so I'm shooting typically about 60th, 100th of a second at f11, f16. No real problem with that handheld because there's no shutter vibrations, it's a leaf shutter, and it's really simple. So time to load another roll of HP5 Plus. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that brief ramble around the city of Liverpool, mainly the waterfront, with me for a couple of hours, couple of rolls of HP5 Plus. Quite different really, I really enjoyed it, and now it's off for something to eat. So I do hope you enjoyed this random vlogette, and I'll see you again soon.